Hi everyone, today I have the Pure Saffron Extract Supplements from Pure Micronutrients, and this is a really great way if you are looking to add saffron into your daily routine. Each bottle will come with 60 capsules and you take one a day. So I will show you all what a capsule looks like. So here's the capsule. I'll put it in my hand so you can see it a little bit better. But a very standard size capsule, extremely easy to take. Again, with this type of supplement, you don't have to mix it with anything. You just take the supplement and then go about your day. And another thing that I really like about these supplements in particular is that the ingredients list is super short. So again, super straightforward ingredients, natural. So if you're looking for a way to easily add saffron into your routine, this is a really great option.